Hello everyone, this is Crystal from the Ouachita Valley branch, and today we're going to be making sticky note covers based off the Book of Monsters from the Harry Potter series. So you're going to have, if you have a grab and go kit, you're going to have glue dots, but today we're going to be using a glue gun because it kind of works better. If you have one at home, either one will work, but we would suggest the glue gun. First thing we're going to do is get our spine for it. You can make this at home with construction paper. We used a piece of folder. Either one will work. And we're going to center it on our felt and then glue it down. And make sure you get the spine of it so you don't have any gaps. Just kind of make sure it's really glued down so I don't want it coming off. Then I'm going to cut my tongue. Just kind of cut a little triangle out along with our teeth. And it doesn't really matter how they look, just kind of want them jagged and monster looking. So these are all probably going to look a little bit different. So if you're doing this at home with someone else, they're going to look a little different. They're siblings. They're not twins. But they'll be super cute and monstrous. And then we're going to cut that in half. So you have one for the top and one for the bottom. Now I'm going to cut alongside the sides and the top to give him a little bit of a ragged look. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. Just kind of fuzzy looking. You can just cut little pieces off, or you can just cut it in general. I'm doing a little bit of both. Now, before you put your sticky notes into the little case we made, we're going to put down our teeth. So one on the bottom. Then on top of that, we'll put our little tongue. If you have a glue gun, you might want to get a parent with you because they are hot. And then we'll do our teeth on the top. Then we'll get our sticky note ready. Also make sure all your sticky notes are facing the same way. If they're alternating, it's not going to work too well with this. The spine. Stick that down there. This is what I've got going so far. And then the last thing we're going to do is stick our glue dots onto our little googly eyes. Some are big, some are small. You can glue them however you want, honestly. He's a monster. He has to look monstrous. And this is the Monster Book of Monsters.